If you've ever found yourself needing to access your computer from afar, you might have heard of AnyDesk, but does it really deliver on its promises? Today, I'm diving into what this remote desktop software can or can't do for you. AnyDesk is designed to provide remote access to your devices, allowing you to control your computer from anywhere. The interface feels quite user-friendly, which is a plus, especially if you're not super tech-savvy. You simply download the app, and within seconds, you're given a unique ID to connect with other devices. What stands out right away is the speed. AnyDesk claims to have low latency, which is crucial for tasks that require real-time interaction. However, some users report that the performance can vary depending on your internet connection, which makes sense but is still a bit frustrating if you're in a pinch. The intended audience seems to be anyone from freelancers needing to access their work to IT professionals managing multiple devices. Still, I noticed that the documentation on advanced features is a bit sparse, which could leave some users scratching their heads. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. On plus side, AnyDesk is incredibly easy to set up and use, which is fantastic for those who just want a straightforward solution. The speed is another highlight. When it works smoothly, it feels almost seamless. On the flip side, there are some concerns. For one, the pricing model may not be ideal for casual users as it leans towards subscription-based plans. There's also a lack of transparency around security features. While they claim to be secure, some users might want more detailed info on that front. Plus, if you're looking for in-depth customization options, you might feel a bit limited. Those who need robust features might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, AnyDesk is a solid choice for quick and easy remote access, especially for casual users or small teams. However, if you need more advanced features or have concerns about security, it might be worth looking into other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but just make sure it meets your specific needs.